Ever opened a 200-page PDF and spent half your time just scrolling to find the page you need? It's frustrating, right? With Bookmarks and Systweak PDF Editor, you can jump to any page instantly, no matter how big your PDF is. Let's see how to set them up using Systweak PDF Editor. Here's how you can do it. On the top menu, click Tools, then click Bookmarks. Here you will see an Add Bookmark button. Click on it. Type a name for your bookmark, then click Add. The bookmark will appear on left side of the screen. Now let's add 2 more bookmarks for other page. You can see all of them listed on the left. Good news, bookmarks save automatically. You don't need to press any save button. Let's close the PDF now and open it again in Systweak PDF Editor. Go to Tools, Bookmarks, and see all the bookmarks are still here. Click on any bookmark and you will go directly to that page. If you right-click a bookmark, you will see 3 options. Remove to delete it, rename to change the name, and add child. Add child means you can create a bookmark inside another bookmark. Click add child, type a name, click add, and now you have a sub-bookmark. You can now jump to any page in seconds without wasting time scrolling through the whole file. So that's how easy it is to create and manage bookmarks in your PDFs using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video has helped you, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.